Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on the privacy password in Realme 5. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the fingerprint face and password. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint face and password, okay, in password, okay, you can see the set privacy passwords. Okay, click this. Okay, and okay guys, we have to set privacy password. And okay guys, we need to verify the new password. And okay guys, we have to set the password recovery. So okay, we need to set the security question. So okay guys, we have a security question here, and okay, you can change your security question by clicking the arrow on the right side of this question. And okay guys, we have option here in your custom question. And okay guys, I choose what is the name of your high school custom questions. Okay, if you select the question, okay, you'll have to do is click the circle button on the right side of the question. And okay guys, we have to enter the answer of this question. And okay guys, after you enter the answer of this question, okay, you'll have to do is click done on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, in privacy features, okay, you can see the app lock. Okay, you'll have to do is click app lock. And okay guys, here in app lock, okay, you can select the application you want to enable the privacy password. So okay, for my example, I lock the Facebook. So okay, you'll have to do is click the application. Okay guys, this is example only. And after you select the application, okay, you'll have to do is enable password verification. So okay, you can turn on the switch button to enable the privacy password. And okay guys, that's it. And okay, we can try it. If the application are turn on the privacy password, okay, all you have to do is go to Facebook application. And okay guys, we need to enter the privacy password. Okay guys, 1 2 3. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the privacy password in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.